red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow color. T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. Kids, now you draw H and use green color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use black color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use red color. V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo. And red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw 1 and use red color. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4 and use yellow color. 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use green color. 6, 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9 and use black color. 9 and 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use brown color. 11, 12, 13. Kids, now you draw 14 and use blue color. 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use red color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and last we draw 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.